Good morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. I hope you had a great weekend since we are expecting a very volatile week. Last week we had non-farm payroll, many major events, Federal Reserve interest rate, Bank of England interest rate, so definitely we are going to have continuation of this volatile week. So as usual we start with Euro US dollar. This is exactly what I don't like. Euro US dollar, as you can see, it's super unpredictable. It tried obviously to create a downtrend, and as a continuation here, false continuation, and reversed back to 1.1209. I'm not gonna trade euro yet, and I'm going directly to GBP US dollar. So the Great British Pound, we see continuation since the last week's bullish price action. After that slight recovery, and tried to respect this resistance level, as you can see here, 1.3044. Didn't manage to, and broke out very strongly, as you can see, 180 pips upside momentum, and right now is trying to continue going up. So I'm gonna be bullish on GBP US dollar, despite the fact I'm not gonna trade probably GBP until we see more clear picture of the Brexit situation. We're discussing the Brexit since the last couple of weeks. I would say definitely it's super uncertain, so just I'm gonna skip that. GBP euro I'm not gonna trade, and I'm gonna go directly to Australian US dollar. So Australian false breakout of the lows, 0.69876. here, the support level, definitely it's a false breakout, recovery, and immediately testing 0.7053, our resistance level. I'm going to watch very closely the Australian dollar, since this is very significant resistance. As you can see, it was tested here, and here. So definitely I'm remaining bearish on the Australian US dollar until it breaks out this level. After that, probably I'm gonna looking for buying opportunities above the support level, which is gonna become support level. Until then, I am bearish on the Australian US dollar. So also this morning we got retail sales in Australia, very significant, definitely economic event. So it happened 1:30 GMT time. Retail sales 0.3% compared to the previous month, 0.9, but the forecast was to see the retail sales in Australia 0.2. That's why we consider this event as green, because beat the expectations. And of course we got interest rate decision in Australia. They kept exactly the same 1.50% interest rate in Australia, so let's see what's gonna happen. Definitely Australian dollar is on my radar. New Zealand US dollar still obviously keeping the range, I would say, for the last couple of days, in the middle of the support and the resistance. I'm gonna keep the same level, 0.66 as resistance level here, 0.6579 as support level. So it's, I would say, Australian dollar price action is much more clear than the New Zealand one, just because we are standing here on the resistance level, but in this case we're right in the middle of the resistance and the support. So just I'm gonna wait until the price reaches one of these levels, 0.66 or 0.6579, and then I'm going to start following the New Zealand dollar. USD Canadian, pretty shaky, pretty ranging a lot. Crude oil, we're gonna take a look first. The crude oil, we saw the breakdown and the drop, actually the expected drop to 60.41, the support level, which obviously happened. What happened after that? We can see strong bullish momentum, strong recovery, and continuation to the upside trend, the uptrend. So very interesting. The crude oil 63 round number, very significant resistance, as you can see, tested here and here. So if we see breakout of this level, definitely we're gonna have a lot of room to grow to the upside. Or if we see crude oil testing the resistance and dropping down, definitely we can see very clear price action of shorting the crude oil. So the crude oil is very interesting, just because the levels are very clear and the trend is very clear, and definitely we have a very clear picture on the market. So if we try to use the crude oil as a forecast of the USD Canadian, I don't believe right now the crude oil is very good to do this. Why? USD Canadian is ranging a lot. Obviously, we have a lot of levels on USD Canadian. Definitely, I'm gonna delete this resistance, not relevant whatsoever. So I'm gonna delete this one, 1.3443. So just to make my chart more clear and more simple to analyze. And what do we see? The crude oil went up to 1.3520, dropped down to the support level, which was tested here at 1.3374, and started ranging around this level. So I'm gonna wait until I see more clear picture on the USD Canadian. Rather than this, I'm gonna rely on the crude oil trades, and after that, of course, probably I'm gonna go to USD Canadian once I see breakout of the resistance or the support. USD Swiss franc. So what's going on? Significant upside momentum after the breakout of the resistance, which became support. Tested the support 1.0124, and we expected, by the way, further continuation to the upside. So we can see double test of the support level. Definitely, I'm remaining bullish on the USD Swiss franc. So it's a matter of time to see what's gonna happen. If we see strong bullish price action and momentum, then we can take long trades, or definitely we can wait for testing the support and then take a buying trades. I'm not gonna short USD Swiss franc for sure, not now at least. If we see USD Swiss breaking out the support level, then I'm gonna start considering short opportunities, short trades. But until then, I'm remaining bullish. So USD Japanese yen. We open the Monday with very big gap right below the support level 110.83, I would say. Very interesting price action. We started talking about the drop of the USD Japanese since the last couple of days, which obviously is happening. Now bear in mind that we can see the price closing the gap to 111.06, and we can even put it as a round number 111. So the round numbers on the USD Japanese are very well respected. 112, as you can see here, very strongly bounced back on the resistance and in the round numbers, significant resistance zone. After that, started dropping down, opened with big gap right below the resistance, which was support, and now we can expect further drop down to 110 to 100, even 109. USD Japanese is in my focus for sure to the end of the month. Japanese yen is in focus, so guys, follow the USD Japanese and all the Japanese yen currency related currency pairs, because they can give us very good opportunities this month. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish you a very profitable week. Have fun, guys, and expect tomorrow the new video Wednesday, where we're gonna follow up what's going on with the same major currency pairs and their significant levels.